I'm Sharon. Today we are in a completely different studio than my home studio. We're testing it out. We're going to work with 3 breaths today to help you beat the heat. They're cooling breaths. And 3 versions will just depend on what your comfort level is and which one feels like it works the best for you. The first one I'm going to work with, call it the Cheshire grin. So it's that big, wide open mouth position. Teeth together, lips apart, and you breathe in, and as you breathe in, you're drawing in the cooler air across your teeth. This one doesn't work well if you have sensitive teeth, so you might want to just pause and wait for the other one. All right, so teeth together, mouth open wide, and inhale. Close your mouth, and then exhale through your nose. So let's do that a few times together. The trick with pacing for all 3 of these breaths is to make sure that you're not gulping the air in so you don't get lightheaded. And you want to have a sense that you are getting a feeling of coolness coming into the mouth. All right, so number 2. This one works well if you have the genetic ability to curl your tongue, which I do not. So it's the one where you curve your tongue sides upwards and you create a straw, bringing your tongue out through the very front of your mouth. There's my very good faked version of it. And if you're not sure, just Google the word tongue curl breath and you'll find it. Okay, so second version, I'm going to pretend that I can curl my tongue. We inhale again through that straw shape. Close the mouth and then exhale. So you go ahead and try that one if you have the ability to curl your tongue. Try it a few more times so you can get a feel for it. Inhaling through that straw-like shape, feeling the cool breath come in. Close the mouth and then exhale through the nose. Good. And then the third one. This one is for those of us like me who sometimes have sensitive teeth and cannot curl the tongue. It's a variation of kind of the 2 combined together. So now I'm going to purse my lips together, have an opening, and you can play with how big or small of an opening you work with. And you're going to bring your tongue forward towards your lips. Again, you're going to breathe in through the mouth and through the nose, exhale. So close the mouth and exhale through the nose. So those are 3 versions of cooling breath. Now some people might find that this is uncomfortable to do, so don't work with it if it doesn't work for you. If you have asthma, if you have blood pressure regulation challenges, any sort of breathing issues, then you want to work with this very subtly at first. So maybe 1 or 2, and just see how it affects any of those heart or respiratory system challenges that you might have. It can take some practice as well to get a feel for those 3 breaths, so practice them often. If you dive in and you think, wow, this is awesome, then you can do it for perhaps a minute at a time, take a break and then repeat. And then use them as you need to. So at night, if you're having a hard time falling asleep because you're hot, try it before you go to bed. If you're also a bit angry, irritated, so overheated in the emotions as well, you can work with it to cool the emotions. So give it a try. If you have questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section below or reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. I look forward to practicing with you again.